Are you struggling to understand the various topics in maths? Then JIT Home Tuition page is for you. Here we will help you to understand the various topics in maths. Currently, we are looking at circle theorem. So kindly follow us as we solve this question. All right. Now, the question is saying that find the value of x. This is x. How do you go about solving it? Usually, whenever you come across a question like this, especially with circle theorem, one of the things that you need to ask yourself is that which of the theorems do I need to actually solve this question? All right. So we are coming to look at another theorem. By the way, we have looked at some few theorems, and so if today is your first time coming into contact with our video, kindly go back to watch those videos so that you understand where we've gotten to. All right. Now this theorem is saying that the sum of the angles of a chord. All right. So this is a chord. Okay. The sum of angles of a chord or an arc subtends at the circumference of what? Of opposite segment of a circle is 180. So what it means, this is the chord. It subtends at the circumference here. The same chord also subtends over here. Now, because they are opposite angle, when you sum them up, it is equal to what? 180 degrees. Now, with this understanding, you have this question over here. They want you to find x. How do you go about with it? Now, with your knowledge that you have received from angles, you look at it carefully. How do I go about it? How do I? So that's how you have to ask yourself. Then realize that you need an angle over here. Then because you don't know this side, the angle that you get at this side plus this side equal to 180, then you make x the subject to get the value for x. But how do we get it? For you to get the angle here, now we are saying that when the chord subtends, it subtends at the center. The angle created at the center is equal to twice the angle created here. So how do we get the angle at the center? We immediately come here. Let's say that this side is m. So 220 degrees plus m equal to 360 degrees. All right, so we make m the subject. You have m equal to 360 degrees minus 220. Now, what do you have? You have that is 140. Let me see. Yes, so immediately this side is 140. So when you get that, that means that m is also equal to this side. We don't know, let's say p, but it will be equal to 2p based on that theorem that says that when a chord subtends at the center, it is equal to twice the angle that the same chord subtends at what? The circumference of a circle. So if this side is 140, you have 140 equal to 2p. Because we are looking for p, we divide by the coefficient of p. This one will cancel. This one 1. Here you have 70. Therefore, p is equal to what? 70. Now, having gotten the angle over here, this angle that is p plus x should be equal to 180. You are now coming to apply this one. But what is p? We've gotten it to be 70 plus x equal to 180 degrees. So we make x the subject, giving 180 degrees minus 70. X will be equal to what? 110. And that becomes